Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I'm sharing with you my body scrub recipe. So let's get started. First, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of rice flour. You can make it at home by grinding rice, or you can buy it from market also. So I'm gonna take this 3 tablespoons because 3 tablespoons is enough for my body. Next, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. I prepared it at home. Next, I'm taking coconut oil. I'm taking 5 spoon of it. Coconut oil or any oil is very good for removing dirt and dust from your body, so always include it while you are doing any scrubbing. So that's my recipe, that I always include oil. You can use tea tree oil or any kind of oil, but I use coconut oil. Next, I'm using this gulab gel, rose water. Now to finish the recipe, last I'm taking half lemon juice. It totally optional, but lemon is good to remove tanning from your skin. This scrub recipe help you to remove tanning from your skin, also moisturize your skin, remove dirt and dust from your skin. It actually deep cleanse your skin because of coconut oil, and because of only coconut oil it also moisturizes your skin. Use this twice a week and you will get amazing result in 2 weeks. So just try this. And one more thing is, keep adding rose water until you get the perfect consistency. This body scrub can be used by any skin type people. Even oily skin people can also use it. You can also use it on your face. Try this body scrub at home and let me know your result. If you have any request, any query, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and share my video. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.